Every great adventure begins with a single step, but this one begins with a dream. Today, we're following the legendary trail to the foot of the world's highest mountain, Everest Base Camp. Our journey begins in Kathmandu, the gateway to the Himalayas. A scenic flight takes us to Lukla, where the trek officially begins. From Lukla, we hike to Pakding, following the beautiful 𝐿𝐿 River. The next stop is Namche Bazaar, the vibrant Sherpa capital and an important acclimatization point. Continuing higher, we reach the peaceful village of Tengboche, home to the famous monastery. The trail then leads to Dingboche, where we prepare for higher altitudes, our next acclimatization point. From there, we trek to Lhobuchi, surrounded by spectacular Himalayan peaks. Our next destination is 𝐭𝐸, the final settlement before Everest Base Camp. From 𝐭𝐸, we arrive at the legendary Everest Base Camp, standing at the foot of the world's highest mountain. The following morning, we climb to Kalapapa for breathtaking panoramic views of Mount Everest. Our return journey follows the same trail back through Perichi, Namche Bazaar, Lukla, and finally a flight returns us to Kathmandu. One route, one dream, one unforgettable Himalayan adventure.